Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a poster on Canva. In order to do that we will use a template. So if you are at the home page, over here at the top we can try to find a preset design. We have templates over here, so we can type, let's say, a poster. And now over here we have suggested templates which we can choose from, and we can click see all in order to find more of them. Now over here, as you can see, we have quite a bit of them depending on what you actually need. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And then over here you can choose the size. So let's say I'm gonna choose A1. We have the finish, so we have fine art finish, which is museum quality, thick and long lasting uncoated paper, or gloss finish, which is a coated paper with a semi-glossy smooth surface. I'm gonna keep the gloss finish. Then we can choose how many posters we need. So let's say I'm gonna choose 2 as an example. We can also set the template as favorite by adding the star. And of course we can also share or even report if you find it offensive or something. But nevertheless, let's use this template. Let's customize this template. And of course, in this example, this template is for pro users, for Canva Pro subscribers. But I'm pretty sure you can also find some posters that are free. For instance, these below that, if you scroll down, you can also find something similar. So here I have this poster over here, which is free. This one is free, and so on and so forth. So surely you can also find a great template for yourself. Let's customize this template. We will immediately open the design, the project. And of course, if we want to, we can also immediately buy the poster. So for instance, over here, we can even see the price for the poster. So it's up to you if you want to actually even buy it. We can even choose the framing if needed. However, if not, then of course we can close this window and then we can get into the design. So we can open, we can do some changes. For instance, over here, if we want to, we can change the website. Let's say www.courses.com. We can change the phone number. Of course, we can change the color of the background. If we click on the background, over here you should find the background color. Unless you have this toolbar opened, then you can find it a little bit more to the right. But still, we can change the color. We can set any color that we want. We can even use a gradient if we want to, like so. That's completely fine. We can do a bunch of different changes. We can also change the image. So over here I have the image of this lady using the laptop. But I can go to apps over here, then photos, and then over here you should find a bunch of different images over here. So let's say I'm gonna type a businessman, like so. And then over here I will find a bunch of different photos, and I can drag and drop it over here. And as you can see, it is immediately within the circle. I can double click in order to move the position of the image within the circle, and I can move it a little bit to the left if I want to click outside, or click down over here in order to apply the changes. Maybe a little bit too left, so let's move it back a little bit, like so. And of course we can do further changes here. We can also change the color. Let's say we want to set it to maybe like something nice. We can also choose the gradient, of course, but in this case, let's say I want to keep it simple. I'm gonna choose actually orange than yellow. So we can change this one over here. We have 2 colors in this case, so keep that in mind that in some cases some elements might have 2 colors instead of just 1. And then we can press change all. Over here we have this text, which also we can change the color for it, like so. Really easy. And of course, if we want to, we can even change the font. We can click over here, we can adjust the text, we can use a different font, let's say Arial, and we can move it back a little bit if needed. We can make it smaller. Here we can adjust the font size. We can do a bunch of different changes depending on what you really need, like so. We can reposition the elements, we can change the content of the elements. That's completely fine. So this is pretty much a great starting point if you want to use a template. If not, then you can just take a look at the different templates over here and see how they look like, so you might be inspired to do something. If you want to add your own elements, then at the left side over here we have this toolbar. You can press elements, and then here, for instance, we have shapes, we have graphics, etc. You can click on see all in order to find something more. You can also use the search bar at the top, and here you can try to find something more specific. We have different photos, videos, stickers, etc. So you can create a bunch of different stuff, and pretty much it is up to your imagination and creativity how you want it to look like. And of course, if you want to add more text, then we can switch to text over here. We also have some presets over here with different fonts. But if you want to add something simple, then over here we have these three default text styles. We have heading, subheading, and a default text, which can also be customized just like these ones over here. And later on, if you are finished, or actually, if you want to add, for instance, another page, let's say you want to add, I don't know, you want your poster to have additional page or something, then of course you can click on add page, and then you can customize and add something on your own over here. If not, then of course you can delete the page like so. After that, we can, for instance, print the poster. We have this option once again over here. If we don't want to buy it, then of course you can click on share over here, and then here we can download the poster. So we can press download, and depending on the format that you need, you can, for instance, choose PNG, which is the best file format for images, which provides great quality, but you can also use PDF standard or PDF print if you want the higher quality of PDF. So you can choose PDF print, and we can press download and then wait a little second to let the download. We don't need that. We can close that, and I think we can save it. Yep. So I'm gonna save it on my PC, and then let's open the file. And there we go. We have our poster. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.